Welcome back to Carolina Rock Cuddles, everybody. I hope everybody had a great Christmas and a Happy New Year. Today we are taking the 500 out, and not only are we taking the 500 out, we are going to swap the tires around. We're going to see are the OG Outlaws better than 8 Silverbacks. We got them back here. This tread's about as tall. They'll kind of wore out a little bit, but you can see there's plenty of tread. I mean, it ain't much less or more than this. The way we're gonna do this is we're gonna take it out first with the Outlaws. We're gonna record it. I'm gonna try to put them together. Like I'm gonna go through the first hole, then I'm gonna switch over to where the Silverbacks are, and I'll try to connect it the best I can. But this is gonna be a lot of back and forth. I mean, I can't just take the tires off and on like that. So we're gonna do one whole video with the Outlaws, then we're gonna do a whole video with the Silverbacks, and we're gonna put them in a video, and hopefully I can make it look like it's natural. Will I mean, I don't know. I'm a little off today. I haven't been sleeping, all this new Christmas stuff, building it. You guys know how it works. You have children, you got to build stuff. So let me go ahead. I'll slap on the GoPro and then I'll meet y'all in the mud. Wait, bad phone. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we are back. We are going to start off just a little small hill. Anybody wondering how cold it is today? That's ice. But, oh crap, four-wheel drive. Been driving all these all-time four-wheel drives. Forgot about that. Anyway, so it's cold as can be today. Come on. What the? Woo! So that was a little thicker than normal, so now that we dug it out, let's try it. Then we'll drop down to the Silverbacks. Oh, maybe not. I got brand new boots too, by the way. Whoa. Look at the ice. Woo! Well, it's the Silverbacks time. We have thrown them on, but look at the stance on this thing. So we ran into a little problem. The front rims will not fit with these Silverbacks. They rub the shock, so we had to turn them inside out. Hey, it works. It does. We got the 12 rides in the back and the 10 in the front. So for everybody who don't know this, because I have to explain this to some people, that those are like the OG Outlaws are 9.5. These are 10. These are about 2 inches wider than the OG Outlaws. I swear they are. Maybe an inch and a half, but quite a lot. But you can't, but again, people always think that the sizes are actually real. Like, they're not. Most of the time they're off by a lot. So I just want to let everybody know that, because I had to turn these inside out, and the Outlaws have plenty of room. So I mean, I need to go ahead and paint this rim, because that's ugly, because these Silverbacks are going to be on for a little while. That's why I'm doing this video in the first place. So let's throw the GoPro on, and we're going to try these out. They are actually a lot wider, so I do have some hope that maybe they will do a little better. I mean, as you can see, there's plenty of grip on all of them, maybe just as much or more than the Outlaws. So let me go ahead and throw my GoPro on. Okay, first time with the Silverbacks. I also put waders on because you'll see a little bit later in the video that I needed them earlier and didn't have them. So let's go ahead and try these out. Oh, full drive. Come on, baby. So far about the same. I will say the wide stance on these Silverbacks while driving them to this hole make them ride a little better, but that's because they are spaced way out compared to the Outlaws that are spaced all in. Now let's see if we can make this. We might be able to because of the extra space. Woo! What? Yeah, we forgot to put gas in it. I should have known. Just my luck. Let's try again. First, we got to get all that water out of these.
Eventually.
In all my years of mudding, I knew better than this. I believed the gauge. The gauge said I had half a tank. The gauge lied. I am empty now. I am stuck on the hill. And now I'm stuck here waiting for my wife to bring me some gas. Oh, joy. This is just, I'm trying to get a quick video over here. And here I am running out of gas out of nowhere. Bad full of bad. I should have known. I put it in reserve and tried to floor it and get out of here. And all it did was all the gas went bloop right to the back. So now we're stuck here waiting for the wife to bring the gas can. It's my fault. Anyways, we will be back in 1 second.
Daddy, why you have
Old baby wife for when you used to ride with us. Look who come and saved me. It's Jonna and Landon. Hi, Landon.
Hi. Then why you went out of the gas in the mud?
Because Daddy didn't think that the gauge might be lying to us today. Oh, aggravating, Landon. So you trying to take my foiler from me? Hey, come back with my sandwich. Hey, that's mine. I want that. It's mine. It's mine. You can't pull me. I got it. Why are you leaving me? I just want to kiss goodbye. You're so mean. Nah. Thanks for coming to rescue me, guys. I love you. Oh. Hey, baby. I love you. I'll call you in a couple minutes when I mess up again. Why a spider? Kill it. I don't see it. There he is. Now he's a dead spider. Love y'all. Try this again. And we're back. I don't know what happened. There was no water in the air box. I mean, could it be the spark plug? Possibly, but I've never had trouble with that before, so we're hoping, mate. I shoved a stick in the two-way check valve overflow hose because it's been working. Y'all see me in the palm of this thing, but maybe that's what was wrong. I don't know. We're gonna try it again and hope that we don't do it because I don't want to have to call Jonna back to come help us. Going on. It acts like it doesn't have no power, like it's getting water somewhere, but okay, let's see what we got here. It is getting thick now. Woo! Like I thought. We finally dug it out too much. Oh, it was only a matter of time before we did it. Come on, baby. Woo! Full steam, full steam. Oh, fell over. Ah, come on. This ain't good. How did we get stuck already? This is the mild spot. Huh. We screwed up.
Eventually.
Whoa. Woo! Okay, let's not do that again. Okay. I've heard so much crap about this hole when I put it on TikTok because they're like, oh, you didn't do this right. God, this is a swamp. I'm sorry that if your holes where you live have hard bottoms, this stuff just sinks you and that's where you stay. But we're gonna try to make it. Everybody told me I didn't floor it enough when I got to the end over there. Well, we're gonna hold it down as hard as we can without letting go off until we're stuck, just because y'all said we could have made it. Well, I guess this is where we're staying for now. Come on. Come on, baby. So frozen mud is not my friend. Full fledged. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. As everybody can see, I straight went for it. And all I'm doing is digging down. Oh, whoa. We made it. Holy crap. You know the sad part about this? I still got to do that again with the Silverbacks. I don't want to do that again. That wore me out. But for the video, we'll do it again. One more time through the hill. Whoa! So now we got to wash off the these rims so we can go ahead and change them out. Come on, baby, slow and easy. Just washing them off. Don't want all that mud on them. Come on. Ladies and gentlemen, sadly, this is where we're going to end the video. I don't know what's going on with it. Something isn't sealed right. The air box is fine, but something on the carburetor isn't right. I've tried. It's just not working. So this is sadly where we're going to have to end the video. Y'all saw all it was working fine. Something's gotten pulled out. I mean, I need to figure this out. And yeah, it's not working like it should. And I can't just keep pushing it through when it dies in the water. Like the water hits it. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching as always. This video, like all my videos, don't go as planned because I got old vehicles. I always have some issue. So if you don't mind, please subscribe. That way we can get more subscribers and maybe get some foilers that don't break every time we use them. Anyways, make sure you check out this 500 video where she actually did something and the 500 playlist. And I will see y'all on the next one where hopefully we will actually not break down because this is becoming a trend of breaking everything I own. I'll see you on the next one.